In this episode, we are going to look at how to use a Microsoft Word to write our signature. These days, you don't have to use a pen to write your signature on a sheet of paper and then you capture, you scan, and then you resend. No, you can simply use your Microsoft Word to do the signing. So first of all, let's say this is our contract that we have to sign. Now, after thoroughly reading through this contract, we deem it fit that everything is perfect and we have to sign. So on the menu bar where we have the home, insert, draw, design, you simply move straight to draw. Now under the draw, we have the cursor. This one is used for selecting the ink. We also have the lasso select is used for drawing shape. We have the inks. This is the eraser. We have the specific pencils you may want to use. We have the yellow. It comes in different forms, but then this is the specific drawing tool you're going to use. So under this drawing tool, when you click on it, you're going to have several colors, several colors. We have the black, yellow, wine, and so many more. Now, since we would want our signatures to be so clear, I'm going for the color white. Now, after getting the color, this is what we are going to do. You place the cursor at where you want to sign, right below the signature, and then all you have to do is double tap on your mouse pad. You double tap on it. Now once you double tap, that's where the drawing is going to begin. So let's look at this. I'm going to double tap and let's see what happens. So you double tap and you draw. You double tap and draw. It's not going to come out as perfect as you see, but then anything that will make it look like it's a signature is fine. So we double tap. You don't release the mouse pad until you're done. So once you're done, you can then release your mouse pad. So let's say this is our signature. Perfect. We're done. Just in case you don't like it how it sent out, you just click on undo. That's Ctrl+Z, undo, to delete it. Probably you also don't want the color. You can also go back to the drawing tools. You click on the pen and then you change the color to something you deem it fit. So once you change it, now you can draw. So let's change our color of our pen to draw our signature. So there we go. Anything to represent a signature is fine because this is an electronic signature. You also have this, but then I prefer something much more clearer that will make it very clear for your party. That's for both parties. So I'm still going to stick with the color white. And there we have it. You double click. You do not release. Please do not release the mouse pad. The moment you release it, that's it. So once you release it, you have to go back and go for your pen to continue. So that's it. You're going to struggle a bit with the mouse pad, that is if you keep releasing it, but then if you hold firmly, you see, you're good to go. You hold it firmly and you're good to go. Something simple just to represent that this is actually a signature. And we are done. So once you're done, you just go to your file and you click save and save as. Thank you very much for watching this episode. I'm definitely going to see you guys in another episode. Stay tuned and stay connected. Peace out.